We are having a very special JDM car and I have a surprise for you guys. Yeah, so without further ado, say hello to... All right guys, I think you hear this car coming down the street. Yeah, I just wanted to surprise you guys. This is a Japan domestic only car. It is the Nissan S15 Sylvia. So this is a pretty sweet car that we're gonna have coming up. And this is our buddy. But yeah, let's check this out, guys. Woo! All right, guys, we just want to definitely check the lowness test. This car is definitely sitting very low, but it also has some surprise up for you guys. Check this out. Woo. Wow. Perfect.
Basically like the hot chick treating me about a car. I didn't know you had the pro equipment.
Dude, this thing is sick.
Yeah,
so yeah, S15 Sylvia, guys. Very, very rare car. I'm sure you guys have not seen this stateside. And geez, fully built. Look at this motor, guys. Wow. So we have the pleasure of doing full front PPF on this. They actually might have the patterns from the Japan files. So I do have Japan files, so I am gonna check from there. That way, and get it to you quicker. All right, guys, so we have the Nissan S15 Sylvia Spec R in the shop. I mean, it is looking absolutely gorgeous, guys. Check that out. So we will be doing a full front paint protection film package, but also doing a full paint correction on this car. It is on air cup suspension, so you could raise it from this height using air. So yeah, everything will be bulked at least up to this fender because you can see it is aftermarket. But I believe the hood are factory pieces, so we will check core, at least the Japan database to see if this will work. But most likely not because this is a very, very old car. All right, guys, so other than that, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So we are in the middle of this service for this Nissan S15 Sylvia. Just wanted to kind of share the vehicle. It is a show vehicle, so it is fully built, but just, yeah, kind of wanted to show you the craftsmanship of some of these guys. Guys like this will be hitting up the Japan Classic Car Show. They'll also be doing a couple of other car shows in the area here in Southern California. But we also have guys like this that head out to SEMA and stuff like that. And we always help out with SEMA builds and things like that. So if you guys are interested in kind of custom work, wraps, PPF, or anything of that nature, we can definitely help you guys out. All right, guys, I'm pretty sure you guys want to see what's under the hood of this thing. So let's go ahead and check it out. Check this out, guys. A legit SR20DT. And it has all the Tomei goodies, the Nismo goodies, garage defend, ARC titanium, you know, radiator. It has the, I believe, a titanium hood prop. I don't even want to know how much this thing is. But one of the things I did want to show you guys is sometimes we do PPF on random spots. So this is actually a good example. I have it polished and I have it covered just because we're going to be going ahead and adding PPF on this Group M intake, guys. One thing you guys notice is right here, you can see a tiny little rub mark. This is actually just moisture, but there is a tiny little rub mark on that side. We're actually gonna be adding PPF to this. So that way, that'll be not an issue of bumping into that right now. So when you're doing JDM royalty like this, the interior can't be left out. I mean, just look at the attention to detail, guys. We have full Brid bucket seats. We have a Works Bell hub. I mean, this is like no cheap shit. There's no NRG quick release. He has a whole carbon dash. I mean, everything is top notch. Yeah, the carpets are Brid, and I believe he has a cage. But yeah, guys, pretty sick. All of his gauges are Defi gauges. And you can see them here. All right, welcome back, guys. It is the next day. Sienna is working on pretty much completing this full front. She is adding a little bit of PPF to that Group M intake like I was telling you guys about, because I believe that intake's a couple $1,000s if I'm not mistaken. So you guys can see everything is custom hand cut. Sienna is going up to the lip of the area where the carbon fiber is meeting the adapter or flange. So just trying to keep it really legit, guys, and just making sure that, you know, everything looks clean. All right, welcome back, guys. So we have the S15 pulled out, and that's because we have another car, and we are absolutely blessed by God and just having wonderful customers like you guys that just keep showing up and supporting this small little business that's running out of our house. We have a BMW X7. I believe this is the M60i version, so there are too many versions for these BMWs. But this is one of very few BMWs that are coming in. We have a couple of M cars that are coming in. So aside from these crazy JDM royalty that you guys see over there, we have the Sylvia. But yeah, we have this car right here. So this is one of the first BMWs that we'll be working on in the next couple weeks. So we do have a couple of M4s, including a Cabrio, a convertible. So that'll be very interesting to share with you guys. But absolutely just wanted to appreciate all of you guys for checking in and appreciate God for allowing us to do this. All right, welcome back to the channel, guys. So I have a really cool trick that the owner of this S15 Sylvia taught me, and it's really cool for all you detailers out there. I'm sure you guys would agree. So let me show you guys exactly what that is. Sometimes when you're detailing a car, you sometimes have to get into the really, really tight spots. You guys will see kind of above around the tires. You can't get your pressure washer really underneath and kind of get within the wheel well. So let me show you guys what this owner did with this car. First, you go into the on position, just like that, guys. And then you see this really nondescript button right by the mirror controls. And I didn't know what it was, had to ask him, and you push that. Guys, so you guys could see that the car goes up and down with a press of a button. It's absolutely awesome. So it's great for getting into those areas and actually driving up on lifts and things like that. So if you guys have a scissor lift, I thought it was really cool, as well as if you guys are using quick jacks and things like that. It's really nice because you could actually get the jacks under there. So it's really, really cool. I just wanted to really share that with you guys. It's definitely not a practical thing for everyone. I believe these cut kits are probably right around $4,000 just to add the cut kits onto an existing set of coilovers. So you're looking at around $6,000 to $7,000 out the door. So the really cool thing that I heard from the owner is it doesn't feel like traditional airbags. So it actually rides just like coilovers, because that's exactly what they are 99% of the time. It's just that when you need that extra clearance, it will air up a piston that's on top of your coilover so you can get that extra clearance to go up driveways and whatnot. So just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm gonna finish this car off, but yeah, thank you guys for tuning in here at Wrapstars. We've been blessed
by God, as well as you guys, this amazing community of customers that have been supporting us, and we've been getting to work on crazier and crazier cars as time goes by. So we absolutely just want to say thank you to everyone who's tuned in and that supported us throughout this whole journey.